Ethan, what's in there? What's in there?
Cow 2.0.
What's in there? What is that? What is that? What's in the bag? What is that?
Frosting in the mouth, that's what it is.
Get him. Get the cow. Hey, where's cow? Look, what's that? What's that?
See, I'm more interested in the wrappings, Dad. That's how it always goes.
Ethan, what's this one? Look, what's in there? What is this? What's in there?
Don't get the Ziploc out of his mouth. He bit it.
What is that? Pull it out. Pull it out.
Tissue paper. That Thunder even wrote a thank you thing on it. Thank you for getting it.
Is this another cow? What do you got?
Take away the wrappings and he'll be fine.
What is this? What do you got? What are they? What are they? What do you got? Are they more cows?
I see a smile.
Where do you get more cows? Oh my goodness, more cows. Oh my goodness, more cows. Here's some more cows. Here's a guy more cows, yeah. Oh my goodness, more cows. Say moo, moo, moo. All right, big brother, we're all done. I'm getting antsy.